everything cleaned. I'm about to start making the drinks. Let's take that cake mix back because it's expired. How disgusting is that? Oh, my hair. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Nisha's Kitchen. Not sponsored. That would be great though. You see my hair? Okay. It's not a mess. It's like pinned. I'm in the process of doing like a little silk press thing. Where's beef? Okay. Yeah, I usually have like a little bag out or whatever, but I don't. This isn't open. Let's go. Pepper that's already open. There we go. I'm gonna just take all the packaging off of these. Is there a hole in something here? Like this looks, I'm scared. This looks kind of, I'm gonna take that off because, yeah, I'm taking that part off. Ew, it's like, that why it was $2 fucking? Oh my god. Let me cut it. But yeah, that's why it was $2. It's cold. It's freaking cold. I'm gonna take that part off. I need to wash my hands. I'm touching the beef. It smells bad. I mean, it smelled bad when I brought it home. I'm not using that. Oh my god. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. I feel like a whole Karen right now. But I'm gonna continue to unpackage these. Oh, I can smell it. If you know me, you know I don't play when it comes to like food, cooking, cross-contamination, any of that. This kitchen was clean last night. It's gonna be clean during and after because that smells so freaking awful. I'm trying to hurry up and take all these off so I can get that off. This one is fine though, but that one smells sour. Like I'm just so upset. And I'm like scared to use it. It's just this part. Oh no, it's all of this is bad. I'm taking a picture. I'm calling the fucking cops. I'm sorry, I'm pressing it. Look at this. Oh. I can't touch this. I don't want to touch my camera. But guys, look at this. Ew, I'm not using that. Full lion shame on you. I am not. No. This is going fully in the trash. Because there's no way. I don't want to contaminate it with the good beef, but I'm not using any of this. Oh my god. I'm so upset. Like, it was $3, but still. No, I'm gonna have to get another pack. This is exactly why. This is why you cook early. This is why you check your food. Everything. Oh my god. I don't want any remnants from that package. Oh my god. I know you guys have heard that on her. She's overreacting, but it smells so bad. I'm really scared. Like, I really want to check all of this stuff. Ew. Oh, excuse me. That was disgusting. Anyways, because I know my pans are burning now. Seasoning of choice is black pepper. Please don't cross-contaminate. I hate when people do that. Always wash your hands when dealing with raw meats. Actually, wash your hands when you're dealing with anything. Veggies, meats, seasonings. I hate when people like touch the seasonings with contaminating it. That's cross-contamination, babe. Like, That's what that is. Nice amount. Always season both sides. I can't stand the person who seasons one side. Like, what are you doing? Saving 3 calories? Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna drop this in the hot heat. You're gonna hear it. That's the most I can do for you. You hear it, you hear it, you hear it. Now, I did touch it, so I'm not going for hands again. All done. Put on down the packing minutes because so upset with the line. So upset. This piece looks bad to me. I can't tell if it's but I'm not comfortable. Oh my god. Good morning. Updates. So of course I'm having my party an entire month late. Today's October 8th. My birthday was September 8th. But hey. So here's a little bit of the party setup. Chips. I still haven't put that in the fridge. My new bar cart. I'm still transforming everything. So you guys know Mr. Plant, Mr. Africa. This is a new addition. I'm obsessed. Like, cause this corner was so weird and I had it straight, didn't make sense. But like this, chef's kiss. And my almonds came. So here's the updated living room for right now. This is it. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys the TV is up. But I do want a new one of these. I think I want to get something that matches that. pretty much the same thing, just so when you come in, there's more rattan. I don't even know how to say it, but see, like, this doesn't do anything for me, but if I had this and this, that would be perfect. And like, I do want something that has closed doors now, because I don't like that you can see through it. It just, oops, I forgot that was there. It just doesn't flow for me anymore. Like, that looks more appealing. So if I had that there, that'd be better. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and that wall is bigger though. This wall is bigger than this one. Or is it the same? I would still need something that's like half the size. So if I had 3 instead of 4, you know what I mean? Like, cut that off. That would be perfect there. I'll have to see. We'll figure it out.